How to convert euro to USDT in Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to convert euro to USDT in Binance. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Binance application. So once you're inside here, just scroll down and click on this trade option right in the middle of your bottom middle of your screen. So once you're inside here, you can see there's an option called convert at the top left corner. Just select it, and from over here you can see the option or section like from. So under the from section you can have to simply select the option that is euro, and under the to section you just have to select or make sure it is on USDT. As you can see, it's already on USDT. So now all you have to do is just enter the amount which you want to convert the euro from, to how much you want to convert, and to preview it you simply have to click on this preview. So once you tap on your preview, it will show you the confirmation order, and once your convert option appears you can simply convert it, and if you have sufficient funds your euro to USDT conversion should be successful in Binance. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.